Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. If you've ever considered investing in a foot massager, but wondered if it was truly worth your money and the storage space in your bathroom or closet, it turns out the answer is, actually, a resounding yes. Feet are made up of joints, ligaments, tendons, and sensitive nerve endings which can easily become irritated from chronic foot issues, such as plantar fasciitis, the wrong shoes, or simply being on your feet all day. And that's where foot massagers come into play. After consulting a podiatrist, we researched the best foot massagers on the market, best overall foot massager thanks to its multiple massaging nodes and heating ability. Our team research and best advice of experts, we have select 5 best foot massagers in 2023 for you. The link of the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you want more interesting product reviews, visit our GuideKnight YouTube channel.
Shopping with GuideKnight as. Let's start with our top picks. Number 5. HMB Luxury Shiatsu Kneading Rolling Foot Massager.
Ergonomically designed targets the sensitive points of soles of feet, the reflecting characters of the complicated nerve system. The kneading foot massager is equipped with soft silicone simulated palms, rolling and shiatsu roller on the bottom. Feet massager for deep tissue, plantar fasciitis, neuropathy pain relief. Automatic massage program with 7 optional modes, auto/custom, manual mode with 3 adjustable speed, and 2 different massaging directions. All modes is combining shiatsu, kneading, rolling and massaging to give reflexology therapies to different humans' organs. Complete massage of feet, legs, ankles, arms, and calves.
Number 4. Brio Foot Massager.
Brio Foot Massager comes with deep kneading, compression, scraping, rolling, heating function. This reflexology massager can help relax sore and tired foot after all day working or standing. 3 options of compression intensity integrated with various massage modes allow you to enjoy an extreme relaxing foot massage with Brio Foot Massager. The adjustable intensity combined with deep kneading, rolling and tapping and strapping massage help relax fatigue muscles and tiredness of your whole body effectively. Control all functions by a simple touch on the sensitive touch panel. With the removable and washable foot sleeves, the electric foot massager is easy to keep clean. No need to worry about any smell on the foot massager.
Number 3. NeckTech Shiatsu Foot Massager.
Enjoy multiple preset massage modes, heat function and adjustable air compression intensity. You can select or customize according to your personal preference. It is thoroughly constructed to target the foot reflex zones and massage points to improve your foot wellness. It has 2 adjustable intensity levels, which will boost the blood circulation on your soles and feet. It works better when combined with the deep kneading shiatsu foot massage to strengthen muscle tissues and reduce muscle stiffness, allowing you to fully unwind after a busy day. NeckTech Foot Massager Machine is equipped with infrared heating function to relieve tense and stressed muscles.
Number 2. Lepular Electric Foot Massager.
The foot massager offers an immersive and comfortable massage with individually controlled functions, air compression, kneading, rolling, and heating. Just take a relaxed sigh-on after a long day of work. Shiatsu massage and air compression. 3 levels of strength and heating function can be selected according to preference. Use this acupressure foot massager while watching TV, reading, or working in the office. Beware, this electric feet massager fits for foot size up to 14. Removable and washable foot covers keeps the machine clean. 15 and 20 minutes auto off setting will protect you from overusing. Give your foot a daily foot massage at home.
Number 1. Cloud Massage Shiatsu Foot Massager.
This foot and leg massager uses a deep kneading shiatsu technique to help improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, stimulate muscle recovery, or soothe pain relief. This goes beyond a basic foot massage. With an adjustable base, our massage machine can be positioned with amazing comfort to work the muscles of your feet, ankles, or calves. From gentle to strong, the foot massager with heat offers 3 distinct levels of intensity to suit your preference. To avoid discomfort, users are encouraged to start the feet massager machine at the lowest setting and then adjust accordingly.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.